Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a bird's nest head video, but before I start, I just want to announce a couple things. My room is a mess, so I'm going to get it cleaned up and maybe before July, because so much people are like, make a room tour, and I'll subscribe to you after you make a room tour, because I'm not too sure if I want to be, just stuff like that, but I'm fine with that. I'll make a room tour, and I promise you, I'll make a room tour even if after you do it with my laptop. It's just that my room isn't fully done, and let's see, and it's just so busy because, just because it's end of school exams and stuff like that. So, anyways, so this is a video about birds myself. So, sorry, my mom might be on me, but these are my birds, Angel and Ranger. Just wanted to show you. If you're just a video you just randomly found about on, So, first, let me just bring this thing over here so I can just easily. Sorry, my mom's talking on the phone. So first, sorry, there's just a bunch of garbage in here. So if you guys don't know this, when my birds break everything, so I end up having to take things so I could actually go pick up things. Anyways, so it's not important. First, this is full of bird food and one of their toys. So sorry, but you should have just a box, like a little box, to hold all this stuff in. So it's just a biscotti box. If you know, it's just cookies, just part of cookies. Sorry. My birds go crazy a lot. So I like to have about 2 old spoons in there. So it's like a bird kit. A scrubber that I used to clean their cage with. Millet. So this is just Oh my god, it's so hot here. It's getting hotter and hotter every day. You're gonna need, obviously, if you don't have this stuff, you should go get it right now because don't kill your bird. So, just some budgie seed food. I find that my budgies like the honey. If you guys are looking for a really good budgie food, I'd get a seed, a honey flavor, and one that says vitamin and minerals. So there's a lot that say that. It just says it right down there. So I'm just in love with that. And then your birds are going to want a treat every once in a while. Well, millet is a treat, but not as big as a treat as this thing I'm going to show you right now. This is a honey. It's a parakeet, but it's good for budgies too. I don't know who I got this for. I'm just going to cover something because it says where I live. Okay, who cares? It's just a national thing now. I think it can't show you. My camera won't focus. But it says mineral and vitamin. So it just So I want to do a tag for you after this video, by the way. So yeah, that's just my orange blossom honey treat. So your birds will like that. And then this is not a bird nest. Like if you don't have this, your bird's gonna die. It's just gravel, bird gravel, and this is just so important. Sorry, it's coming out from the bottom. You're like, ooh, more gravel. This is just important because the birds can really digest their food with that. So, yeah. Then you're going to want a cloth just to wipe off the cage when you're feeding it. So, I'm going to be coming to after a tag. And I'm going to promise you I'm doing it. So I'm going to even write it on my whiteboard. That's how official this is, guys. Yeah. Must has and tag. The tag is a surprise. And me cleaning birds. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I'm just very So that's basically all. And if you want to see my budgies, like, oh my god, because they were just scared because I was just talking randomly. Come, Ranger. Sorry, Ranger doesn't listen. Sometimes I just have to grab him, but this is the Angel. Listen. Give me a story, so come. Remember my camera. This bird's heavy. She eats too much. Like this camera could have went tumbling down. Never meant to start one. Sorry, she just like went like just so quiet, and it went like. No. Oh, if you're wondering why I have tattoos, well, I work in a tattoo parlor. So if you guys didn't know that, yeah, I do. Every week, every day. No, I'm kidding. It's like a thing that we did for my school. It's like a barbecue, and I was just like, it was just like I don't know, where I live. They have these things that they're like, sorry, they have these things that are like tattoos, but you make your own. So, but it's just like you make your own design. Over here. It's like you make your own tattoo, so it's cool. So I was showing, because it's barbecue, so there's a bunch of kids that, ow! Go in the camera and hold you. So there she's shaking it. So I'll show you the ones that I have, but they're sort of fading. They're not permanent, obviously. I'm a good girl, and I'm not old enough. Hopefully. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. Oh my god, you. Sorry. So, one of them was a cat that I drew, but the tail's coming off. So I was showing what I could do. This one sucks really badly, but it's just like a messed up picture of me. Then because lots of girls in my school love me, so I wrote Minnie, and on the top it has a little bow on the eye. Then these are really fading. Then another Disney one just has Minnie, and then it has these little sparkles. And then it just has these corsage. And up here it just has Minnie and a bunch of like little hearts. So yeah. You do not walk on the ground, sweetie. I've never seen her do that. She was on one side of the cage, and she didn't want to climb anymore. You guys, ow! She didn't want to climb anymore, and so she just jumped down and walked around and climbed back up. It was so cute. Honestly, she's gonna do it again. Yeah, she does it again. She's looking for food. She's so cute. Oh my god. Anyways, so, anyways, guys, bye.